He got up and took that front tire off the tractor, and we need to break the bead on it. And I had a old tire machine I brought from up there, and he had a plate, so we're gonna weld that on there.
Hello,
So,
YouTube.
morning, YouTube. We got a little floodage going on in the garage here. Move that air compressor, just back that out and spin it around, and I'll bring it forward.
If it feels as good getting you, you just keep on using me. Till you use me up. Lord, until you use me up.
And just so you know, this
You just annoying me or them?
I was gonna tell you, don't touch that.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, just so you know, you can see that that's broken.
Yes.
If you touch that part over there, you'll meet Jesus.
You're going to have an enlightening experience.
Yeah. I don't think the power's on, so I'll go cut the power on.
You light up my life. You carry on.
Run rods, run rods. And that box right up there has a brand new welding helmet in it. It works better than I'm trying to keep it packaged up so it doesn't get nasty.
Right.
They're going to get all the dust on the lens. And
Glass cleaner, yeah.
if you want to do the welding,
No matter me.
you're probably a better welder than I am because everybody is.
Well, my saying is, grinder and paint for the welder I ain't.
Yeah, I reckon.
You know about that?
No, I didn't think you said it. I'm going to get my raincoat out. Actually, if
How's the top of this the setting?
if you understand, you know that's written in Sears, and I don't necessarily understand it. Or it's written in, I don't know what it's written in, but I don't understand it. So just, it'll weld right where it's at. I don't know how much fire you're going to have. But I've been welding stuff with it. I think you, this ain't much of a welder, I can tell you that. That's one of them marketplace $100 jobs.
Yeah, we gotta find this place to get it ground.
You can probably get one almost anywhere.
That'll get it kind of
That video we shot on the front porch actually came out pretty good last night. I didn't think it would,
Oh,
but
the music.
I was surprised at how well it worked. Come on, Pete.
We step across it, weld it. Little bit of a gap there.
Close enough to go for it.
Yeah, baby. if that works. We'll spread the news. How did you feel? Just got on and off switch or no?
Well, you didn't turn it on, so I guess it must not.
I must not worry about it.
It seemed to work, didn't it?
It worked just fine. That's nice of it. Yes, welder. Enjoy welding with auto darkening welding helmets.
It's solely plywood too. I don't like to have to change any more battery.
Oh yeah.
That's why I like that.
Move it out just a little bit so we get around
I'm
both
gonna
sides.
turn this off before we get electrocuted on.
All right. Welder rod stay in here?
Huh?
Does the welder rod stay in here?
Just like
Well, leave the pants there, Dunny. I'll figure this out in a minute. Pretty confident putting the welder away. Right?
hey?
Pretty confident when you put the welder away, right?
Yeah. Okay, so
Oops. Go ahead. Don't get shocked. Nice view there, son.
if I get shot, I don't think I'll get shot. I think I get killed.
Killed. Graveyard dead killed.
By the time I realize I've been shot, I'll be up in heaven. Good Lord.
That'd be a good place to be.
I guess so.
Better than the alternative.
Better than in a muddy river in New Jersey.
Yeah. Yeah. Because the tractor ain't running, I can't come save you.
Yeah.